This is a stabilizer that I made for the Hobie Mirage 11, or Hobie Revolution 11. Use the lobster traps. These are 11 by 5, 3/4 inch PVC through the center, and then there's a T, 1.25 T that goes down to 3/4 inch reducer, and I hollowed it out so that the two ends of the floats would fit together. And then I've got 2-foot section of 1.25 inch up to a 4-way valve here that goes down into the fishing rod holders, which gives it its flexibility into the kayak, or strength in the kayak. And then you still have the ability to put a rod holder down through the top, so you don't lose the rod holder. I'll put a fishing rod in. And comes out, and I had originally had this a different design. That's why this comes out and then down. You could just come out with the 1.25 inch elbow straight down, and then go directly into another 1.25 inch T that's turned up vertically. Then it has a 1.25 to 3/4 reducer. And the wheel kit then fits down in through that into the sup hole. So that's what holds everything steady. And of course, have that on both sides. And so that gives you a good place to store your wheel kit. And it's made so that the bottom of the wheel kit just comes out even with the bottom of the kayak. That way it doesn't produce any drag with the wheel kit sticking through the sup holes too far. Makes it stable. Then just put your bungee cords over the top to hold it down, and then it becomes a very stable platform or stabilizer. And some of these other stabilizers, can cost up to, close to $170. This really, just for the cost of some PVC elbows and T's, your lobster floats are probably your most expensive piece. And those will run you probably around, well, I think I got the set for $15, so about $30 or so for the lobster floats off Amazon. And everything else is just PVC pipe.